Well, I have a couple of questions for you regarding where you are in life right now, whether it's your career or your life. Are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling like you're being held back? I know I've been in that situation several times over the last 52 years, believe it or not, that I've been in business. And the reality is sometimes the roadblock is not your ability or your lack of ability. Sometimes that roadblock is fear. Fear of getting out of where you are and doing something different. Sometimes it's feeling ashamed, maybe that you don't have enough education or that you haven't been as well exposed as you'd like to be. Or maybe you just doubt yourself because of all of the things that have been said to you over the many years of your life. Sometimes we believe those old messages. I remember things that were said to me as a child 70 years ago, 65 years ago, that I still have to shake off. But I've discovered that I don't have to be bound by those things. And I can transition through truth in my life. The one thing that I've learned over the years, and those of you who know me know that I've had four careers in four very different industries over my professional work life. And I've learned that you can't confidently move forward while looking backward. It's kind of like driving. If I try to drive forward while looking in the rearview mirror, I will crash. And if you try to live forward by looking in the rearview mirror, you will either crash or you'll keep your foot on the brake and you won't go forward. So it's time to reset. And I'd like to invite you to take a focused action by joining one of my upcoming R4 cohorts. Those cohorts are happening Saturday morning, starting this coming Saturday morning. That will be from 8 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. or Tuesday evening, and that will be from 7 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. or on Wednesday, and that will be 12:30 p.m. through 1:45 p.m. Three different cohorts that I'll be starting, and you can join the one that best suits you. You can click the link in this message, or you can direct message me for more information. It'll be a small cohort of women. We will be meeting for 6 consecutive, either Saturdays, Tuesday evenings, or Wednesday lunch hours, and you will come out transformed. You'll be thinking about yourself in a new way. You'll be looking at your skills and your abilities in a new way. You will have begun to lay out your life plan and where you want to go forward with new zeal, and you'll be ready to launch into something new. So I'm inviting you to join us. Just click the link or direct message me so I can send you information and talk to you about the fees and the workbooks and all of the things that you will need to get started. Women who have taken this have been simply wowed by it. I have had a woman who found a new job in a different area. I have had a woman who started her own business. I have had a woman who started out as an entrepreneur, shrunk back and decided to step up and to do some new things. I have had a woman who was an author begin to step up and to really more seriously write the book that God was leading her to write. I have had women simply grow and transition into how they dealt with their families. This is a program that's amazing. And I can offer it to you because, as you know, I've been through several transitions, both in my life and in my career. So I hope to see you at one of the cohorts. Just click the link to find out more or direct message me. Take care, be well, and thank you so much for taking the time to listen.